Hi, besties. Welcome to my page. Hopefully, you're having an awesome day today. I would like to welcome my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to my page and watching my videos. Hopefully, it's something that you like and appreciate. And for my current subscribers, my returning subscribers, thank you so much for returning and supporting my YouTube channel. Oh my God. Thank you for everyone that has been commenting on my videos, on my shorts recently. Oh my God. I absolutely love that engagement. Thank you for commenting. I definitely appreciate you guys. So let's get to this Happy Meal. This first Happy Meal that I'm opening is from Budgeting Just Because, and this is a coin purse. Now, I picked this design because I actually have a vegan cash envelope pouch with this exact design in my shop. And plus, I definitely need a coin purse on the go because I have coins absolutely everywhere. So I absolutely love this, and I can just clip it onto my purse. Then I also got this cash envelope. So I told her just to pick whatever because I'm new to the cash stuffing and the categories. Oh my gosh. But anyway, I'm new to that when it comes to cash envelopes and cash stuffing. So I just told her to select whatever she think would be good for a beginner. Okay, let's see what we got. I hope this makes you smile. Happy Meal always makes me smile. And then she included these little freebie die cuts, which is absolutely adorable. Okay, so she chose groceries. I think this is absolutely perfect for beginners. Oh, and then we have some fake money up in this too. Oh, okay. Oh, and I didn't realize as I looked at it, I thought it was just one, but it's actually two in there. I got two $20 placeholders. Thank you. Absolutely love this Happy Meal, and I'll make sure to include her shop link in the description. Make sure you support her. Okay? Okay. So for the cash stuffing pros, what other categories do you recommend for beginners that's starting this? Like for in previous videos, I have stated that right now I'm just doing saving challenges at the moment because once I get regular income, I can do more categories and sinking funds. So leave that in the comments. Okay? Okay. So the next Happy Mail that I'm opening is from Planner Stagnant. It's a monthly subscription that I receive. It's a $6 subscription, and it's basically monthly decor stickers for either your monthly insert, but you can also utilize it throughout the month. So let's check out what I got for the month of June. So make sure you check out Planner Static. I will make sure to put her link in the description. So my last Happy Mail that I'm opening up right now is from Capital Chic Designs. She had a bundle sale, I think 2 weeks ago, and it was $75. We didn't know what came in it. We knew we was getting about 50 stickers, sticker books, and some pins. I didn't know how many. She might have mentioned it, but I'm not sure. But anyway, this is a Happy Mail from her. Okay, so we got sticky notes. Did not know it was getting a sticky pad. Really appreciate the simplicity. Let's see what else I got in this. It looks like New Edition. She know I love New Edition. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Lamika. I definitely needed more New Edition stickers. You never can go wrong with that. So Lamika included 4 Emblem pins, She's a petty planner, of course. If you know about her shop, you know about Lamika, you know she's petty. She Miss Petty. Okay? So she gave us 4 petty pins in this bundle. So I will definitely be doing a giveaway of 3 of those pins for those that watch my videos. So you have to stay tuned and watch some of my videos to see how you can participate in this giveaway. Now, hopefully this giveaway is more successful than the other one I did a couple of weeks ago because no one participated. So I'm just slightly disappointed in that. But anyways, so be on the lookout for a giveaway for this petty Enamel pen that you can add to your collection. So now I'm going to do a flip through of the sticker books that was included in the bundle. Now let's do a backstory on Lamika. So Lamika's been in the planner community for a long time, absolutely long time. But she was the first planner shop to create planner stickers that look like us, that's for us, that's by us. Then also, she's the first to create custom stickers. So anytime you see me mentioning custom stickers of either myself, my parents, or my grandbaby, they were all created from Lamika. So now let's get into the final thing that was in this grab bag bundle as individual stickers. So let's see what stickers that I received. So I'm absolutely loving it. In fact, so far I have several stickers that I do not have that I can add to my collection. So this is absolutely perfect to receive stickers that I don't already have to add to my collection. Oh my god, yes, perfect timing. Print stickers. I needed this sheet. I already had it, but I've used it, so this is great, great, great. And Prince's birthday is this month, June 7th, and this is small to actually fit on my monthly. So I'm gonna add this one of these stickers to my monthly spread. Plus, June is designated as Black Music Month, so absolutely perfect. Tina Turner, yes. What's love got to do with it? Got to do with it. I am loving the bundle that Lamika created a variety of stickers. And like I said in the beginning, there were stickers that I didn't have. And as I go through the sticker stash that she included, it's even more stickers I do not have. So I'm absolutely thrilled about that I received new stickers. Oh, Lamika, thank you for stickers of my parents. Thank you so, so much. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Turn on notifications as well. Have an awesome day.